Hi guys, I just received new Arrow exhaust for my Tiger 900 black color. Kinda looks nice. I think much better than these older ones. Even from Arrow they was in silver, now in black. And what is even better, I think it will be even easier now to remove this dB-killer, because there are two small weldings which connect these two metal plates, so I think only grinding of them will be enough to take it out, and then you can actually screw it in back if it's too loud for you. And I think it's really good, especially that this Arrow exhaust was a factory option which you can order from the factory, so I think there should be even no problem with any regulations and so on. Fix it for grinding in the timber. Maybe it will not make abrasions outside, and for grinding I bought such a small thing. I don't know how they call it, but I think it should be okay. I have tried to grind it out. I'm not sure if it will be enough, but we'll try to remove it now. We will use such a bolt, something like that, and then with some hammer we'll smash into this. Maybe it will work. If you wonder what is dimension of this bolt, 18 centimeters. Finally managed to remove this dB-killer, and I don't know if it will be visible. I grind it. Something like this. Not too much, maybe even too much, because I was thinking this welding seam is still not allowing to take this thing out, but I think it's just the shape of it, because now you cannot even fit it without smashing with some hammer or pushing very hard, so that's why it was hard to remove it. And actually I think you could grind a little bit less of this welding to take it out. I was trying to take it out with this bolt, but to be honest, it helped me this amazing tool which every self-respecting rider should have in their arsenal. And we did like this: take our exhaust, put inside, and then smash it like this, and it's going through. Just for you to show how big it is, it's around 4 centimeters, and it's going through whole exhaust, and not going through dB-killer. I think if you will want to put it back, it will be possible even with hand, you know, to just push like this and it will go inside. But if you will want to take it out, then and it will be already on motorcycle, then maybe after moving in and out several times you will be able to do it with the tool which I was planning to use from the beginning. I will let you know. Yeah, I was trying to insert in and out a few times, and now it's a little bit easier, but still I think you will struggle to do it on the road, to take it out. To put it inside, it will be no problem. I think if you need to put it inside without any tools, and while this exhaust will be mounted on the bike. Markings on the exhaust: E13. I don't know what this means, probably related to some sound regulations within the European Union. What comes together with the exhaust? Most important screw to attach silencer or dB-killer, new clamp, with this one you will need to replace old one. Lubricating metal, no idea why this is needed. If you have idea where it should be used, let me know in comments. Maybe on the connection point where you are attaching new exhaust, or to easier insert silencer or decibel killer, and some stickers, attention papers, let's say same E13 as written on the exhaust marking, and manual, but pretty simple. Not writing anything about this lubricating metal actually. To remove all exhaust, we need to untie this one and old clamp at the bottom from the inside of the motorcycle. Here, 10 millimeter. And this one, 12 millimeter. There's some twisting, remove it, and it is way heavier than the new one. I think only because of that it's worth to change it. Okay, fix it, just not too tight at first. Now I need to screw this clamp. One thing, I see that for the passenger it will be not so protected as the original one. Of course you have this metal plate and so on, but here was plastic part on the old exhaust as well. I wasn't 100% sure what to do with this lubricate metal, so decided to ask my friend, and he told just use normal exhaust pasta on all the surfaces, which you connect, wait till the morning, and then clean it around all the excess, and it should be okay. Rubber support is not needed, I think, anymore, because not even touching new one. Okay, what we need to do now is to run Tiger recalibration. At least I heard in the one review that you need to do it after changing exhaust, that it would change its air fuel ratio and so on, and Tiger is doing it automatically. What you need to do is to start the bike, wait, let it idle and wait till these fans kicks on, and then wait 12 minutes, and bike should do it everything by itself with his clever injection system, and then you can start using it. Some sound comparison. Of course I'm filming only with my phone, so no additional microphone, so it will not be very clear, but still old exhaust.